Today we're diagnosing a misfire in a 3.4 liter 3400 Pontiac GM Chevy. So I put my scanner on it, said cylinder 6 was misfiring. Cylinder 6 is this one right here. I wanted to make sure I was getting spark from the coil pack. So you take some pliers, kind of like them, with some good plastic insulation, and just pop these wires off on the number 6. If you don't have a scanner, you don't know which one's misfiring, you can actually pop them off one at a time and you'll hear your motor rev down. If that's a good cylinder, then you pop it back on. And then when you find the cylinder that's misfiring, it won't rev down when you pop these spark plug wires off one at a time. With other vehicles, sometimes it's easier to do like fuel injector wiring harnesses to find out which one's misfiring if you don't have a scanner. But anyways, I had a scanner. I knew it was number 6. Popped the spark plug wire off and I could see it was shooting sparks, so I knew the wire and the coil was good. So the next thing we went to test was the spark plug. I took the spark plug out down there and swapped it with the number 4. Spark plug looked good, but it wasn't. It transferred the misfire over to cylinder 4 with my scanner. You could check to see if it transfers the misfire over if you don't have a scanner by popping the wires off. If it's still number 6, then it wasn't the plug. And you got spark going to it, so it's not the wire or the coil pack. So check compression after that. Fuel injector. It's kind of tough to test on this one. You know, it's all underneath that plenum. Compression's good. Then you might want to check your fuel injector. But that's how you diagnose the misfire on these motors, and same basic concept for all other motors. Follow those steps. Find your misfire. Figure out if it's plug, wire, coil, compression, fuel injector. That's how I diagnosed the misfire on this guy. It was the plug. So now we're going to do some spark plugs and wires. That's why I got them taken off. Now when you're taking those spark plug wires off, you don't want to hurt them. So you want to twist. Kind of crack it free from the spark plug. Give it a twist. And then you want to grab as far in as you can and pull out, so you don't rip the inside of there out. I like to use these pliers for grabbing onto spark plug boots. They're kind of long. You can grab onto them and pull them off, pop them off.